St. Lucie County Public School students. Thank you again for joining us. And I hope you're excited to see part 2 of our owl discussion and demonstration on owl pellets. My name is Mr. Lewis. I'm a 5th grade science teacher at St. Lucie Elementary, home of the Rising Stars. And with me is my son and assistant, Matthew. Say hello, Matthew.
Hello.
All right, so the last time we met, we talked about owls. And we said that owls, Matthew, do they hunt at night or hunt during the day?
They hunt at night.
They hunt at night. So we live during the day and we sleep at night. They sleep during the day and they're awake at night, hunting and living. What do we call that, Matthew?
Nocturnal.
Nocturnal. So that's what nocturnal means, that you are awake during the night and sleep during the day. We also learned that there's a chain that food and energy kind of flow through. What did we say that was? Can you guys help them out? Your food chain.
Food chain.
The food chain. So the food chain is the way food travels. All of our energy starts where?
At the sun.
At the sun. And the sun gives energy to, remember?
The plants.
To plants. And then little creatures or bugs eat the plants. And then something eats those creatures. And then the energy gets passed on from the plant to the creature, to the bigger animal that ate that creature, to the bigger animal that ate that creature. And the last time we had a model and we showed that the sun gives energy to the plant, the mouse can eat a plant, a snake can eat a mouse, and an owl can eat a snake. And today we're talking about things that owls eat. And we ended our lesson talking about an owl pellet and what it is and what it is not. What did we learn that it is not, Matt?
It's not poop.
It's not poop, okay? It's not waste. It is actually, do you remember what it actually is?
It's a hairball.
It's a hairball, kind of like cats get when they cough up all that hair they've been cleaning themselves. And it's in their mouth and they spit it out. So this is actually fur from a rodent or something that it ate. And what we are going to do today, hopefully you guys were tuning back in to see what is inside these hairballs, where our wonderful producer, my wife, is going to be zooming in close and showing you all a part of it. We're even going to see if we can put together like maybe a leg of something it had, or a backbone, or any facial bones. So it's going to be pretty fun and interesting, not for the weak stomach, but I can't wait to see what's inside. Are you ready, Matthew?
I am so ready.
All right, so we're going to zoom in on Matthew first. He's going to take a look at his first one. And basically, we're just going to gently break it apart to show, and I want you to hold it out to show the students at home what's inside. All right, so right now we just have a bunch of hair, and I want you to just keep breaking it apart nice and slow. All right, sometimes, just like when you buy fireworks, sometimes you get a dud. And sometimes you got to dig a little while to find what it ate. And I think we're starting to see something come out.
Ooh,
now, when you get down, when you don't want to break it apart with your hands, so use your forceps.
Thank you very much for those. Ooh, we got a big bone right there.
Ooh, it's a big one. Look at that. Ooh, so a hair bone. Don't break it. All right, take that and set it down.
That looks like a...
Ooh, what is so? I want you to hold it up and show the students at home what it looks. Hold it up with your forceps.
Oh, okay, sorry.
All right, and show the students at home what it looks like.
It looks like a jawbone.
It looks like a jawbone. So that looks like a tooth right there, and it looks like other tooth, like that razor sharp teeth. A lot of what owls eat are called mole rats. So sometimes we'll see some really crazy looking teeth. On the other side, you can really see that jawbone and the little teeth of the jawbone. All right, let's keep looking around, Matthew, and see what else we can find.
All right, here. All right. We have... Oh, we have
Hold it up
another...
so your mom can see it good.
Another big bone right there that looks like it was a leg bone.
Oh, it looks like it could be a femur. Looks like a little, it looks like, if I'm correct, oops, sorry.
It's okay.
Gotta be very gentle, these things break, but that looks like a knee bone to me. So that could be the femur. All right, go ahead.
That looks like a rib bone.
Oh, it looks like a rib bone. Very good. I like that. That's awesome. Let's keep looking.
That is, it looks like it broke or something.
All right, keep going a little bit more. Let's see what else we can find in there. Ooh, this looks like this is going to be a good one. You gotta be very careful with these.
Ooh.
Now, what does that look like to you?
That looks like it might be the face.
It looks like it might be the skull. So go ahead and let's try to pick out some of the hair. Don't break the bone. Try not to. Good, we make a good team.
Yes, we do.
Nice and easy. Don't, if you hear crunching, back off a little bit.
I'm trying. Sounds like there's a bone right there.
Yeah. All right, so let's show everyone what we got here. Yeah, that hair gets all wedged in there. All right, so you see the eye right there, the eye bone, the occipital bone, all right, and that's the underneath.
And
So that's the jaw of whatever it ate. Very cool, Matthew. Was that gross or awesome?
it was pretty awesome, but a little gross.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm gonna do another one for you guys.
Here, here's your
And
forceps.
what you can see about this one, this thing is riddled with bones. There's all types of little bones in there. Sometimes I found as many as 3 or 4 mole rats inside of one pellet.
Wow.
Some pretty hungry owls out there. All right, so as I'm digging it apart, I'm gonna lay these bones out here for you guys to observe. I don't know, as much as I want to put one of these back together, it seems like it would be really hard because they break so easily. They're so fragile. Ooh. I don't know if we should be doing this right before dinner time, huh? I don't think I'm hungry anymore. All right, take a look at that. Now,
face.
what do you see right here, Matthew?
That looks like its nose.
Okay. Okay, take a closer look, guys. Let's see it. Can we see this, producer? Does that help? So, Matthew, peek around on the other side, and I think at home you can see what I'm seeing. Let's see if Matthew can see it. What do you see, Matthew?
I see 2 holes in the jaw.
But that's not a tooth. Do you see what it is?
Yes, it's nose.
It's a beak.
Oh,
Can you go in on that and see that? It looks like it's a very, very small bird. So they have been known to be predators, and they will go into nests where birds are, and if the mama bird's not there, unfortunately, sometimes they will take advantage of the young birds inside the nest, which is a shame, but it's how we learn the food chain flows. All right, so taking this one apart a little bit more, this is like a big cluster of bones. All right, I actually found what looks like another head. So that's two animals in one. I'm gonna let Matthew go ahead and break one more down pretty quickly as we're wrapping up to an end.
it looks like we got another jawbone.
Another jawbone here. Ooh, I see one.
Oh, we might have a full body in here.
Oh, this is exactly what I was hoping we'd find. And this is a mole rat. All right, so check that out, Matthew. I'm gonna present it for you guys to see. See how it has the teeth in the front? All right, so what do you think, what was the coolest thing you learned about this?
I actually did not know that they took over like little baby birds' nests. I never knew that.
So you never knew, I mean, that's an owl, an owl eating a bird. I didn't really know that was a part of their diet, but anything else cool?
Yeah, I found the faces really cool, how you could see their big old teeth.
It's really cool how you can see the teeth and the bone structure. So we don't always think about that because we don't eat anything that looks like that, but it's pretty cool to see something in the wild that eats something and to see what it really looks like. And I hope I didn't gross anyone out too much with all these bones and things, but thank you so much for joining us, and just please feel free to share with your parents what you learned and the fun things we do. Continue to come back and see us on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and thank you so much. Have a great day.